magical kingdom of Rosalia, there was a beautiful castle nestled in the heart of a vast, blooming rose garden. In this castle lived King Cedric and Queen Alara, who were known throughout the land for their kindness and wisdom. They had a daughter named Barbie, a little princess with sparkling blue eyes and golden hair that shimmered like the sun. Barbie was not just any princess, she was a curious and adventurous spirit, always eager to explore the world beyond the castle walls. She loved the tales her grandmother, the Dowager Queen, would tell her about brave knights, mystical creatures, and enchanted lands. Barbie dreamed of having her own adventures someday. One sunny morning, Barbie woke up with a sense of excitement bubbling inside her. Today was her 7th birthday, and the entire kingdom was celebrating. The castle was adorned with colorful banners, and the air was filled with the scent of freshly baked cakes and the melody of joyful music. Barbie's parents had planned a grand party, inviting friends and family from near and far. As the celebrations began, Barbie couldn't help but notice a peculiar butterfly fluttering around her. It had iridescent wings that shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow. Entranced, Barbie followed the butterfly through the rose garden and into the forest that bordered the castle grounds. She ran after it, giggling as it led her deeper into the woods. Suddenly, the butterfly transformed into a tiny, glowing fairy. Barbie gasped in amazement. The fairy had delicate wings and wore a dress made of flower petals. "Hello, Princess Barbie," the fairy said with a tinkling voice. "I am Faye, the guardian of the enchanted forest. I've been watching you for some time, and I believe you have the heart of a true adventurer." Barbie's eyes widened with wonder. "Really? Can you take me on an adventure?" Faye smiled and nodded. "But first, you must promise to be brave and kind, no matter what challenges you face." "I promise," Barbie said eagerly. With a wave of her tiny hand, Faye sprinkled a handful of sparkling fairy dust over Barbie. Instantly, Barbie found herself dressed in a beautiful gown made of rose petals and a crown of tiny, twinkling stars on her head. Faye led her to a hidden path that opened into a magical realm filled with fantastical creatures and breathtaking sights. Barbie and Faye first arrived at the Whispering Woods, where the trees spoke in soft, rustling voices. The trees welcomed Barbie warmly and shared ancient stories of the forest. As they walked through the woods, Barbie noticed a group of animals gathered around a large oak tree. They seemed distressed. "What's wrong?" Barbie asked, kneeling down to speak to a little rabbit. "Our friend, the wise old owl, has been captured by the mischievous sprites," the rabbit explained. "They took him to their hidden lair deep in the forest." Barbie's heart filled with determination. "We must rescue him. Can you show us the way?" The rabbit and his friends led Barbie and Faye through winding paths and dense underbrush until they reached a clearing where the sprites were playing mischievous games. The wise old owl was trapped in a cage made of shimmering light. Barbie approached the sprites with a kind smile. "Please, let the owl go. He is needed by his friends in the forest." The sprites giggled and danced around her. "Why should we? We're having so much fun." Barbie thought for a moment. If you let him go, I promise to play with you and teach you new games. We can have fun together without causing harm." The sprites considered her offer and, seeing the sincerity in her eyes, agreed. They released the owl, who thanked Barbie with a deep bow. "You are a true princess, brave and kind," the owl said. "If you ever need help, call upon the creatures of the forest." As a token of gratitude, the owl gave Barbie a magical feather that could summon him in times of need. Barbie and Faye continued their journey, leaving the Whispering Woods behind. Their next stop was the Crystal Caverns, a place where the walls sparkled with countless precious gems. Inside the caverns, they met a family of dwarfs who were skilled miners and craftsmen. The dwarfs were in a frenzy, for their most valuable gem, the heart of the mountain, had been stolen by a greedy dragon named Ignatius. "We must get it back," Barbie said with resolve. "Will you help us find Ignatius?" The dwarfs, impressed by Barbie's courage, agreed to accompany her. They traveled through the dark, twisting tunnels of the cavern until they reached the dragon's lair. Ignatius was a fearsome creature with scales that glimmered like molten lava and eyes that burned with a fiery intensity. Barbie stepped forward bravely. "Ignatius, please return the heart of the mountain. It belongs to the dwarfs and their community." Ignatius roared, sending sparks flying. "Why should I? It is so beautiful and precious. I want it for myself." Barbie took a deep breath and spoke calmly. "I understand that you admire its beauty, but true beauty comes from sharing and bringing joy to others. The heart of the mountain belongs to the dwarfs, and they need it to survive. If you return it, I promise to bring you a treasure even more precious." The dragon looked intrigued. What could be more precious than this gem? Barbie thought of her kingdom and her family. "The most precious treasure is friendship and kindness. I can introduce you to new friends and show you the joy of sharing." Ignatius was moved by Barbie's words. He returned the heart of the mountain to the dwarfs, who Barbie had proven herself to be a true princess, not just by her title, but by her actions. She had shown bravery, kindness, and the power of friendship. As a reward, the unicorns granted Barbie a special gift, a beautiful, golden unicorn named Stardust, who would be her companion on all her future adventures. With her new friends by her side, Barbie returned to the castle of Rosalia, where her parents and the kingdom welcomed her with open arms. She had grown in wisdom and courage, and the tales of her adventures spread throughout the land, inspiring others to be brave, kind, and true. And so, the little Barbie princess continued to explore the world, always ready for the next adventure, knowing that with love and friendship, she could overcome any challenge. And they all lived happily ever after.